Now, from a cost point of view, Eskom actually finds itself in quite a bit of a predicament because, as we heard from the SONA, they've actually asked for up to, I think it's 400 billion rand that they need to actually become cash positive, and they've indicated that in the next 3 years they plan to actually take away 30 billion rand in costs. But what does this mean in an environment where they need to be investing more in terms of maintenance? Because the big issue why we are where we are in terms of Eskom is the fact that there's a lot of planned maintenance that did not actually happen, and a lot of that maintenance actually costs money. So like right now, for example, with the diesel generators are one of the big reasons why we have load shedding, because some of the diesel plants have actually gone offline, and it's actually said that those fuel supplies will only arrive into the country mid this week. Some people say Wednesday, but a lot of analysts are saying Thursday. And the cost of this is that a lot of these diesel generators are burning through, it's estimated 50,000 liters of fuel per hour, which is a staggering number. So when it comes to load shedding, Eskom is facing maintenance costs, it's facing coal costs, it's facing diesel costs, and at the same time we also have to remember the fact that they have some industrial action that's going on, so they're also facing the labor costs from there. Even though they did get some tariff increases a couple of weeks ago, will it be enough to actually take the power utility forward? It's very much doubtful. The impact on business has actually been quite substantial. I think when it comes to the big industrials, such as your mining houses and the like, they've actually been complaining quite a lot that Eskom is taking some of their operations offline, and what has resulted is that some of the big industrial companies have started actually looking to produce their own power. So that's what's happening on the big industrial front, and if it continues for an extended period of time, we might see rising costs in the way that businesses operate, and it might actually then spur on inflation, because some analysts are saying that if it continues for an extended period of time, all the costs incurred when it comes to load shedding might then filter on to consumers. But that's more of a long-term effect, and it remains to be seen.